Hi, hello friends, Nagarajan from Market Decoder channel. In this video, we are going to see about a couple of stocks which belongs to natural gas sector. And looking at this news, which is going to be a blackout risk for the European industries this winter. And this is going to be a quite old news, but still, right now the prices has started to move slowly up. Looking at the news, so there will be a supply crunch, and when they look for compete with Asian stocks for supplies for the liquefied natural gas, the prices can even go higher. That is what is all about. And today we are going to see two stocks. One is going to be IGL, Indraprastha Gas Limited. Right now the price is at 505. So if you go look at the structure of the market, it is in double top and double bottom structure. It made a double top at 594 and 602. So when you draw a trend line, that is going to be a horizontal resistance, which is a clear short double top, and after which there was a clear bottom, which is going to be a downtrend, which gave us somewhere around 24.62% fall. And right now this is going to be 451.65. Yeah, 451.65, and this low is going to be 454. Yeah, so this low is going to be a double bottom, and this double bottom has happened almost like more than 10 months. We can measure the days as well. So yeah, exactly, it is around 308 days. So if you look at the structure, it is a hammer followed by a spinning top which closed above this, and there is a good confirmation above these levels. Yeah, so right now what is happening in daily is, even in daily we got a double bottom. So this is one bottom which is 474.45, and this candle's low is going to be 471. Here also we have got a double bottom, and this is going to be a small double bottom. So if you look at the pattern's target, this is going to be the high. Yeah, this high is 501.90, and what we have got on Friday is 505.80. so this high is taken out, and we have got the neckline closure. So what we can expect from here is, we can expect easily another 6% from here right now. Yeah, from this top we can expect another 6%, which is going to be the nearer term resistance, which is coming around 530 plus, some 6% from here. But when you look at the overall trend, which is going to be a cyclic double bottom here, and if it is moving up, this will be our neckline. If it can minimum go towards this area, if this is getting taken out, we can expect a huge upside, which is, if you look at this, yeah, 24%. And if this neckline area, that is a huge resistance area, can be tested, if it is taken out in a weekly, then our expectation is going to be another 24% from this area. So another 24%, which will be coming around 800, close to 800. So this will be our target once this high is taken out in weekly. So this is all about the technical view on IGL. Looking at the fundamental facts on IGL, it is a debt-free company, market capital of 35,000 crores. Stock PE is going to be just 24% of ROCE, and which is really good. And what the company can do in the upcoming days is, it is going to be an almost debt-free company. It is having a good delivered, having a good profit growth of 20.37 CAGR, which is a compounded annual growth rate over last 5 years. It is also good, and company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 19.04%. Only thing is, the sales growth is less for the past 5 years, but in the recent few quarters they have picked up the sales growth. So if the sales growth goes up again, a debt-free company can run anywhere from the current market price, which is going to be around this level and this level. So that is all about the technical view and fundamental view on IGL. Let us go to the next stock, which is going to be Petronet LNG. Yeah, Petronet LNG current market price is at around 222, and here we have got a spinning top in weekly, and this is going to be a demand zone for this stock. If you can notice, since last year, whenever the stock has come towards this region, the stock has taken some support and it has moved up, and right now it is in a descending trend line. If the spinning top is getting a confirmation by next week, if you are getting a closure above this candle's high, which is going to be 227.45, say for example, if you are getting a closure at about 228 and 230, then we can expect a good boom towards this 249. If this is getting taken out, then we can expect a boom like this, and there can be a small retest which can happen towards the previous resistance, maybe at this level. Yeah, and again what can happen is it can make a move like this. It can even move higher. My personal humble suggestion is it can move above this and it can touch a new all-time high. That is what is my understanding from this pattern, looking at multiple supports at this level. And if you are getting a confirmation with a good volume, definitely this can happen in upcoming months. This is my technical view on Petronet LNG. Let us have a look on their fundamentals as well. So looking at the fundamentals, they have a market capital of 33,000 crores, and the stock P is very, very less. It can make a huge move from this level, which is 222 levels. Okay, and the pros are going to be the company is expected to give good quarter. Company has been maintaining a healthy dividend payout of 65%. Only thing is, as we saw in IGL, same thing, company has a low sales growth. If this is a 5 years data, if you look at the near term few quarters, this company has done good. So looking at the pattern and the fundamentals, we can expect some sort of boom in the upcoming days, and there is going to be a huge demand for the natural gas. Then these two companies can do really good. Okay, so this is all about the views on natural gas demand and their technical views on the stocks, respective stocks. So thanks for watching the video. So please do subscribe and support the channel. Take care. Bye bye.